हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम क्लास 9th वाटर सिक्योरिटी वर्कबुक में से यूनिट नंबर 2 का चैप्टर नंबर 1 वाटर स्ट्रक्चर के क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्लास 9th वाटर सिक्योरिटी यूनिट 2 चैप्टर नंबर 1 वाटर स्ट्रक्चर। नेम ऑफ द एक्टिविटी to study the different types of wells in the area. Purpose, importance of the activity. The purpose of this activity is to study the different types of wells in the area. Understanding these water structures is essential for water resource management and ensuring a sustainable water supply. It also promotes awareness of local water sources. Proposed time duration for the activity. Approximately 1 to 2 weeks. Materials and apparatus required for the activity. 1. Notebooks and writing materials. 2. Cameras or smartphones for photography. 3. Measuring tools, tape measure or ruler. 4. Access to maps and geographical resources. Methodology of the activity. 1. Begin by identifying various types of wells in your area using maps or local knowledge. 2. Visit each type of well and take notes on its characteristics, such as size, shape, depth, and location. 3. Document your observations with photographs, including close-up shots. 4. Measure key dimensions, such as the depth and diameter of the wells. 5. Research the historical and cultural significance of each type of well. 6. Create a comprehensive report summarizing your findings for each type of well. 7. Compare and contrast the different well types in terms of design, purpose, and local importance. 8. Share your report with classmates and discuss the significance of these water structures in your area. Diagrams, photographs of the activity. Concepts that have become clear during the activity. 1. Understanding of various types of wells and their characteristics. 2. Recognition of the importance of well structures in water supply and local culture. 3. Awareness of the diversity of water sources in the area. What new things did you learn? I gained knowledge about the different types of wells in our area, including their unique features and historical significance. This activity deepened my understanding of local water resources. Conclusion. Studying the various types of wells was an informative experience. It highlighted the role of these water structures in our community's water supply and cultural heritage. Understanding the diversity of well types is crucial for responsible water management. Write your own opinion experience about the activity. I found this activity to be both educational and enriching. It allowed me to connect with the local environment and appreciate the significance of wells in our area's history and daily life. Cooperation from the parents. Parents were supportive, providing transportation and encouragement for field visits, as well as assisting with research. Opinion of the parents. Parents recognized the educational value of the activity and were pleased to see their child actively engaged in learning about local water structures. They appreciated the hands-on approach to studying wells. Persons who have helped you. 1. My geography teacher provided guidance on conducting the well study. 2. Local experts and historians offered insights and resources. 3. Parents supported with transportation and supervision during fieldwork. List of the reference materials. 1. Geography textbooks. 2. Local maps and historical records. 3. Online resources about well types and local culture. 4. Notes from geography class. 5. Interviews with local experts and historians. 6. Government publications on water resources. 7. Reports on local well maintenance and usage.
Great video. Mom,
Yes.
I found the good channel for study.
Great. Like the video. Share it to your school friends. Subscribe to it. But what's the channel's name?
Wings of Fire Academy.